I'm going to be showing you how to fix can't receive calls on an iPhone. So if your iPhone can't receive calls, there could be multiple causes, software glitches, network issues, or misconfigured settings. So here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix it. The first thing you need to do is just open your settings. Go to your app library, search for settings, it's right there. Just go ahead and open it. Scroll down till you find focus, which is right above screen time. Just go ahead and tap here and make sure you are not on do not disturb mode. And if you are, then just turn it off and allow calls from to ensure your contacts aren't being blocked. You also need to make sure that you're not on airplane mode. Just swipe down in your control center. If you're on airplane mode, just turn it off like this. Make sure you have cellular coverage. Try toggling cellular data off and on. You can also try updating iOS. Sometimes software glitches can cause these problems. So just go to your settings, look at the top, and if you see this option right here that says software update available, just tap here and update your system. You can also try removing and reinserting your SIM card, and if it still doesn't work, then you might need to contact your carrier. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix can't receive calls on an iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.